Are you thinking about building a deck or installing a gas stove? Well, you might need a building permit. Fairfax County's Public Works and Environmental Services issues over 70,000 building permits a year to residents and contractors. People need permits for everything from building a large storage shed in their backyard to tearing down a house. The most common home projects that require a building permit are alterations of a kitchen, replacement of a gas appliance, construction of a deck, finishing a basement, installation of a pool, and the demolition of a house. In addition to being a state requirement, there are various reasons why citizens should obtain a building permit: to protect their families from potential safety hazards, such as a gas leak or fire, to guard their investment from water damage, which could reduce the value of their property, and to avoid higher costs in the future, like avoiding a lawsuit if their debt collapses while company is over. The building permit process is very simple, and 65% of the time, permits are granted the same day you turn in your application. Just go to the county's website for information about how to get your permit.
Good morning. Good morning.
Stop by the Permit Application Center to file your paperwork.
I need to build a deck. Okay.
Meet with an engineering technician the same day to discuss your application. Once your application and plans have been reviewed and approved by the appropriate offices, the engineering technician will issue you a permit. Take that permit and place it in a prominent spot at the project site so the community is aware of your project. From the time construction begins until it's completed, an inspector will come out to do a safety inspection for each phase of the project. Tidbits, tidbits, read all about it.
There are home improvement projects that don't require permits, such as re-roofing, re-siding, flooring, carpeting, cabinets, gutters and downspouts. The knowledgeable staff of the permit branch is available to assist you in determining if the permit is required for your project.
You may obtain permits in your own name. However, if you're considering hiring a contractor to perform the work, it is strongly recommended that the contractor secure the permit and be listed as a responsible party. A contractor must be properly licensed in order to obtain a permit. In this way, the county staff will be in a better position to assist you in gaining compliance if the work does not meet today's building codes.
Contractors must be licensed by the state with the appropriate license class and specialty for the type of project. The license classes A, B, and C determine the maximum dollar value allowed per contract. The license specialty defines the type of work a contractor may perform. For example, a contractor with electrical specialty is not authorized to construct a deck. Certain specialties require a valid Fairfax County contractor's license in addition to a state license.
There are several red flags that may indicate that you're dealing with an unlicensed contractor. If your contractor is hesitant about signing a contract or obtaining permits. If your contractor requests that you obtain the permits in your name or request an affidavit from you allowing them to obtain the permits in your name. Another red flag may be when a contractor requests more than 10% of the total project cost.
I hope this segment on building permits gave you a better idea of the types of home improvement projects that require permits and the application process. To get an in-depth look at the building permit process, visit www.fairfaxcounty.gov/DPWES or call 703-222-0801 and a county representative will be glad to assist you.